The insertion order is needed to guarantee a customer space in the daily planner. It's very important to fill it out completely and correctly so that their ad is placed, and if any issues arise, we can contact them. On the top, write in the planner name, your name, and the date, the book code, and the school year the planner is for. Indicate whether you're working with a new or renewing customer, and if you are working with a renewing customer, indicate the lead number as well. Next comes the listing information. It's very important that this is correct because this is how the customer information will be published in the planner. Indicate the category, the name of the business, the street address, and phone number of the business. Please note that additional categories, lines of information, and addresses cost more, so don't write these in unless it's part of the order. Next is the sales contact information. This is all of the information pertaining to the signer. Most of this information should be the same as in the listing, but sometimes it might differ. Indicate the business name, the signer's email address, the address of the business, the best number to reach the signer, the fax number, the full name, first and last, and the position of the signer at the company. Next to the sales contact information is the billing contact information. Some businesses will want invoices sent to a corporate office or an accounts payable department that is located somewhere different. If this is the case, please fill out the billing contact information box. Here we are sending the Seasons Pizza invoice to the sales contact. If this is the case, you may leave this box blank. The next step is the order. Here you will write out everything the customer is getting. In the book code column, indicate the book code. In the quantity column, indicate the quantity. If an advertiser wants their ad or listing to appear in multiple categories, this is where you would indicate it. The ad size column is for the UDAC. Here is the UDAC sheet. You'll see that the leftmost column shows you the list of codes for each ad that we offer. The description column allows you to write out in simple form what the UDAC means. This way the customer understands what it is they're getting. The gross ad cost column is for all of the pricing. Each ad has a list price, the full price, that should be placed in the gross ad cost column. Any discount should be indicated below in the discount row after subtotaling the full cost of the ad package. After writing out the discount, subtotal it again. Next is the trade row. TR stands for trade. If a customer wishes to use gift certificates to their business as a part of their payment, you'd indicate the amount in this row. Please know that any and all trade must be approved by a manager and must be submitted with the order. After the amount of trade is indicated, subtotal it again. Next is the deposit box. Here you'll note the amount of the deposit. We require 50%, but you only get paid on what you collect, so it's important to collect as much as you can. In the amount due box, indicate the total amount still due by the customer on the ad. You'll see there's also a special instructions and notes box. Here you'll note any discounts or pay plans. Make sure to get these approved by your manager before writing them on the insertion order. Next, indicate whether the customer wants the proof of their ad emailed, faxed, or mailed to them. If they submit camera-ready artwork, they may not need to see it at all. Next, indicate their method of payment for the first 50%. Would they like to pay on a credit card or a check? Either way, include the information here. Most importantly, get them to sign off on it. Make sure they sign and date it, print their name, and include their position at the company again. It's important for us to know who signed it and that they were authorized to do so. Congratulations! You've just made a sale and completed an advertising insertion order. Next, we'll teach you how to communicate the information the customer would like to appear in their ad to our artists.